So hello, welcome to the channel again. So this video is going to be this video will be a little different, okay? Um, why? Because we will start to talk about Web3, blockchain, and this all over this all technology. In this video we won't talk about code, just code, but we're going to talk about concepts that is simple but it's very important. Okay, so let's go. So let's start in with an exercise again. Imagine a world where you can send money to anywhere, to anyone on earth instantly without banks. Imagine a world where you trade your car, a house, even a song with no intermediates. Imagine a world where liquid assets, art, patents, layout points become as tradable as cash. This isn't science fiction. This is blockchain. So, by how does it actually works? By the end of this video, you understand the technology reshape and trust itself. So, let's go. So, at its core, a blockchain is a digital ledger, a chain of blocks that record transitions. Each block contains data, a hash. A hash is a block's unit fingerprint. It's used to identify especially that block. Okay, I know that some concepts is going to be a little weird, but don't worry with that now. The idea of this video and for you is understand this old technology, okay? As well. And third, previous blocks hash. So linking them together. So a blockchain is a chain of blocks, and we have a lot of blocks, and these blocks that's data and transactions and all the things. So I have a block, and after I'm going to have another block. So this block is connected with the first block. That this connection happen with we call hash. Okay, it's like a code. It's almost like a code. So imagine the following situation. I have a block that the hash, let's suppose, is going to be 1. Okay, and after I will have the block 2 and the block 3, 4 and 5. So if we do a change in all of these blocks of the sequence, for instance, we are on the block 5, okay, but we wanted to change an information of the block 3. We can't just change the information of the block 3 if we don't change the information of the block 4, block 3 obviously, but after block 2 and block 1. So this is will connected all this block. That's why it's called blockchain. So this create an incredible chain. So if you order one block, you break the entire chain. Okay? So, and unlike a bank's ledger, blockchain is decentralized. Thousands of computers, then we call nodes, store copies of the ledger to add a block. Okay, we have miners to compete to solve complex math puzzles, is what we call proof of work. And the winner adds the block and gets rewarded. For instance, the blockchain, a big Bitcoin, yes. And other nodes verify the block. If 51% agree, it's added permanently. So this make hacking nearly impossible. If you need to control, because we will need to control 51% of the network, and this is really hard. Okay, So, and what did this can, how can we say, affected our life? So blockchain isn't just for crypto. I know that uh, we always used to associate this term blockchain with crypto world because all of the word crypto work with blockchain, but we can use blockchain in another concept. Let's say it like that. So blockchain isn't just for crypto. Here's how it's changing industry for finance. For instance, cross-border payments take seconds, not days. All right, NFTs and digital ownerships verify on-chain like Ethereum, right? Voting, tamper-proof elections. We imagine, for example, a world that we always will do our votes in a blockchain. Yes, it's going to be possible. And even Walmart uses blockchain to track food supply chains. Do you know that? Blockchain isn't perfect. Also, key trade-offs. Okay, speed. Big Bitcoin handles. We are talking about 7 transaction sections. And energy. Bitcoin uses more electricity than Neuron. So yes, Bitcoin uses more electricity than Norway. Do you believe that to Bitcoin stay works, they use more electricity than a country? But innovation like linear network and proof of work are fixing this. So blockchain is the future of trust. Whether you are a developer, investor, or just curious, understand it's crucial. Want to dive deeper? So like, subscription, and comment blockchain for tutorial for smart contract that we can do it in another video. Okay, so if you are here in the final of the video, thank you for stay here, and I really wanted to help you with these concepts, with these ideas, and explain for you understand better how this technology works. If you have any doubt, any question, if you want to ask anything, please do on the comment that I will answer, and I really wanted to help you. Okay, subscribe the channel, give like to us, and bye bye.